we'll lower the table, and we're making a video. There we go.
Yay.
Okay. By the way, she's got an Apache boat, obviously with the Apache shirt.
Yeah.
Yay. Here's a little stretch. You can see higher on this side. We're going to stretch this way here. Usually we're running a massage and do other stuff, but we're making a video, so we'll keep it easy. Let's have you lay on your right side. Face this way here.
That's my favorite.
Here, and then scoop always this way here. Then bend this leg here. Let your shoulder. Let your foot. Let your leg. Okay, flip to the other side. Let's have you like face down. That side ain't moving.
Not moving, not moving.
No, but just because you don't hear noise doesn't mean something didn't move. Here, let your arms drop all the way down. And breathe in. And breathe